Here I have REALME C1 and let me show you how to insert here Nano SIM and microSD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's slide down to power off. Wait a few seconds. And now you can open the slot. The slot is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's simply open the slot by using some kind of the special eject tool or some paper pin. Just press it right here and now you can remove the whole slot from your device. And here you can insert 2 Nano SIM cards and 1 microSD. So let me start with microSD with the characteristic edge right here. Alright, and let me insert also the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card right here. And now let's put the whole thing into your device. Press it to the end and simply switch on the device by using the power key. The REALME is switching on. Alright, so now you can unlock the device and start using your device with the SIM lock and the memory card. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.